Glenn Gosch with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson Associated Brokers here in the Tri-City area of Washington. I'm here today with some tips on selling your home if you're getting ready to sell and list your home here in the near future. So the particular tip I'm talking about today is having your HVAC unit serviced and inspected. Now, one of the reasons to do that, and you don't have to do it, but if it's been a long time and you're unsure of the last time that you have had it serviced or when the unit was even installed, it's a good idea to get it taken, get someone to take a look at it, a qualified HVAC person. Reason being is, it's one of the things that comes up a lot in the inspection on the buyer side, and it's also something that can be potentially damaging to your home when you're about to list it. If the pan of the AC unit or the HVAC unit is rusted out, it can crack, it can cause some water damage and stuff like that. So if it's been a long time or you don't know when it's been serviced last, you can get that checked out. You know, depending on what's wrong with it and what needs to be updated, it might run you a few $100, something like that. But it'll be something that hopefully you don't have to incur in the future when you actually go to list your home. Because things can start to add up between, you know, if an inspector finds repairs and there's, you know, something on the exterior and there's this, that, and the other thing, and all these little things that are a couple $100 a piece to fix turn up, it can start stacking on and becoming thousands of dollars. So if you're looking to sell in the near future, one of the common ones is that HVAC unit. So go ahead and get that checked out if you're looking to looking to list your house in the near future. Again, my name is Glenn with Coldwell Banker. You can find my contact information below this video if you're looking to buy or sell a house in the Tri-City area soon.